Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. Let me request all our viewers to subscribe our channel and also promote it. For our channel always stands for goodness of the entire humanity. This time our pointer is, why do poverty exist on the earth? Generally we think that some divine souls may be the reason for the existence of poverty amongst the human beings. But in reality it is not so. If poverty exists here, the human beings are entirely responsible for that. Generally, human beings are not creative. They are imitative. They want to remain as second-hand human beings. They never want to be first-hand human beings. That's why they are thinking that they are individuals separate from other human beings. They don't care about the welfare of others. They don't consider the entire humanity as one and also the entire existence as one. But what do we have? We have only one energy, one creation, one source of life. So, a real human being cares about all the existence and equally participates in it. He does not have any division amongst the human beings. Communism maintains that poverty exists because of class division. But we think differently. Our standpoint is something different. Poverty exists because of the imbalances that is in the inner world of a human being. The inner world is the reason for the existence of poverty. Nobody on the earth does like poverty. If poverty exists, it is because of the human beings. For human beings are not grown intelligently. An intelligent person is always creative. He never thinks separate from the others. So he cares all. Human beings cannot be branded as X, Y and Z, etc. So we are branding the human beings into so many varieties. Thereby we are creating conflicts in the day-to-day life of a human being. Everybody wants to go ahead of others. And also our life is based on more and more. Whatever we get, we are not satisfied with that. Also, we don't know the difference between the needs and the desire. All the human beings on the earth are driven by the great and vital force, namely desire. We don't know any understanding about desire. When to desire and when not to desire, and how to use the energy called desire, generally human beings don't know. That's why man becomes terribly violent. He can't face the violence which is inside him. That's why he lives in an imaginary world of existence. He does not care about what is. what is the most simple thing in the existence, but we don't give any importance to that. Who is a simple person? A simple person treats all human beings and all the beings equally with the dignity. But still now, man has not learned that. That's why all the human beings are in great conflicts. Lastly, this kind of conflicts will lead to war. Not only war, and so many other problems. That's why still now we are not in a position to solve the great problem like poverty. Our intelligence has not grown up to that level. When we will attain to that kind of level, nobody knows. But here, meditation can come to our help. A meditative mind will find the solution for this problem. A mind which is with awareness is needed to solve this problem also. If man is sensitive about the existence, nature and all that surround him, he will be compassionate towards all the beings. Not only he is compassionate with all the beings, with non-beings including the nature, he will be compassionate. Compassion is the only point by which we can solve this problem. How to be compassionate? For that, one must have a meditative mind. A meditative mind is the universal mind. It has no division at all. Meditation cannot be practiced. Meditation is simply the highest kind of awareness. By developing that kind of highest awareness, the problem like poverty will be eliminated from the earth. Once again, we will come up with another one video concerning the psychological aspect of human beings.